Chapter 13. How to stop procrastinating by using the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule suggests breaking down new habits into smaller, manageable steps to achieve long-term impact. Atomic habits, which may take less time to complete, can significantly impact one's character. The rule encourages starting with less than 2 minutes for a new habit, which can help overcome initial hurdles and promote improvement. Habits can significantly shape one's day and life, and simplifying them can help them become more manageable. For example, a reader can start with 1 page a day and gradually grow. Combining the 2-minute rule with habit-shaping techniques can further reinforce desired habits. This involves focusing on the first 2 minutes to learn the basics, then moving on to intermediate and advanced habits until the desired habit is achieved. For example, a person can become an early riser by mastering home routines, cutting off devices, and going to bed by 10 p.m. Chapter 14. How to make good habits inevitable and bad habits impossible. If an individual can find a way to make good habits inevitable and bad habits impossible, they can then start living the life they dream of. The following sections will outline a couple of ways to do this. 1. Commitment device. It is a choice you make in the present that locks in better behavior in the future. It makes bad habits impractical and good habits inevitable. For instance, having somebody lock away your video game can stop you from wasting those precious times. 2. Strategic, one-time decisions. There are one-time actions that can change everything if a person is struggling with video game addiction. They could consider selling the game off once and for all. This is a one-time decision that can have a reverberating effect on their entire life. 3. Use technology. Thanks to technology and automation, you can now automate some habits. One good example is saving. You can have a preset time at which a certain amount of money leaves your account and goes straight to your savings account.